Hi guys! So today we're going to make sets of objects. So I want you to find something in your house. So I have our math tools from school. So I have our connecting cubes and I have pattern blocks that I'm going to use. You can use anything from your house. So I want for you to go find maybe some Legos. Most people have Legos, or maybe some coins, like if you have a piggy bank that you're allowed to open up. Maybe some cereal, some cars, anything you can think of. Okay, so right now you can pause it real fast and then go get it real fast. Okay. All right, so hopefully you have something. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some sets of things. So first thing I want you to do is make a set of 10. So I'm going to use my connecting cubes. You can use anything that you have. And I want for you to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait on you. Let's see if you have 10. Now, anytime that you make a set of something, you always need to make sure that you count it again. So even though I know I counted 10, and I'm going to show you what I have here. I have, see if you can see it very well. I have my 10, but I'm going to count them. I have no idea if you can see them. Okay, yeah, I think you can. So I'm going to count them again and point to each one and make sure that I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now I want for you to count yours and make sure that you have 10. So count them real quick. I'll wait for you. Was it 10? Okay, so thumbs up if you got 10. So now I'm going to clear my 10 away and I'm going to think of a new number. So this time, I'm going to make it really easy. I want you to make a set of 3. So remember, I'm going to count it twice. So first I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3. And then what do I do next? Next, I'm going to count them, and I'm going to make sure that I really have 3. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so I made sure, because sometimes whenever I double check, if I count it again and I realize, whoops, I made a mistake, and then I can fix it. But I didn't make a mistake. I did a great job. Okay, so I've got 3. So you got 3? Yes. So now we're going to clean that up. And now I want for you to make a set of 7. Okay, so I'm not going to count mine out loud yet. I want you to make 7. Okay. Do you have 7? Done? Okay, so I'm getting ready to count mine, because remember, we always have to double check it. I'll make sure that I counted 7. Okay, so I'm going to put it so you can see my camera. All right, so here we go. Here's my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no! So what do? So I made a mistake. I was trying to count 7, but I counted 8 by accident. So I'm going to try to fix it. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know I don't need this one. Okay, so now I should have 7, but I am going to count them again because I have to keep counting until I get the number that I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I finally got it. So I have 7. Do you have 7? Yep. Okay, so we both have 7. So that means we have equal sets because I have 7, you have 7. We both have the same number, and equal is the fancy math word for the same. So now I'm going to see if I could trick you a little bit and see if you can get somebody in your house to help you, and maybe you can even trick them. So I want for you to make a set of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of anything you have in front of you. Do you have 4? I think I have 4. I'm going to count them to make sure, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my number is 4, your number is 4. We both have an equal number of 4. So now I want for you to go find someone in your house and see if they can make an equal set to yours. Okay, so an equal set. So equal means the same. So whenever you tell them to make an equal set, don't tell them what the word equal means. See if they're smart enough to know this, because you're a big kid now and you know all these big math words. So I'm going to find somebody and see if they can make a set equal to mine. Okay, so that's what I want for you to do. So you can pause it real quick, push pause, go find somebody and see if they can make an equal set. Go. Okay, so hopefully you push play again and you found somebody. Did they know what equal meant? That it meant the same thing? So I have my 4, and guess what? I don't have anybody in here with me to help me, so I can't ask anybody. So I'm going to pretend I have, I got my friend Miss Wishy-Washy. Miss Wishy-Washy, I need for you to make an equal set to mine. So I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need for you to make an equal set. You don't know what equal means? Tell her what equal means. It means the same, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Alrighty, so I got pattern blocks over here. You can use these. Doing a good job. Alrighty, so she made a set. We're going to count them. We're going to see if she did a good job. So Miss Wishy-Washy, you can stand right there. Hopefully you did a good job. So we're going to count hers. So she made the pattern blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has a set of 4, and I have a set 1, 2, 3, 4. So are they equal? They are. So we have learned to make sets, and we have learned to make an equal number. So you guys did a super good job. And maybe you could do it later on and you can trick somebody else in your house. Alrighty, thanks, bye.